Sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town. But I'm missing you. But I'm missing you. But I'm missing you. But I'm missing you. Johnny was the sweetest kiss. I'm thinking that he wouldn't miss. Little did he know that she would let him go. Mary was a happy girl, living in a different world, grooving all night long and listening to the song. Boys are getting down.
Wala mong masigamang palakpakan dyan for Jack Ryan!
Tell your story about my side of town. Boys are getting down. Sisters fool around. Let me tell you a story about my side of town.
Once again, Jack Ryan!
I see he don't say. You got that physique, get it open up. So if you touch my way, I will show you how I can treat you better. Treat me
Walang pa naman kay Jack Ryan!
got me strong, strong. All of you love, 'cause I never thought that I would be in love. I can treat you better. Keep me in your pocket like a man, you got me strong, strong. All of you love, 'cause I never thought that I would be in love.
Ayan na, nagtitiyan na sila. Ashley, para sa sa'yo. Yes, and that was Jack Ryan. Maraming salamat. Pero, sige, bago ka bumaba sa stage, Jack Ryan, susulitin natin ang cloud. Magka-cloud chase talaga tayo. Mainggit kayo, nasa front stage ako. Hello, Jack Ryan! Yes, grabe. Pwede po ba tayo makahiram ng mic ko para marinig natin na makapag... Kasi nakita natin si Jack Ryan na sumasayaw. Iba yung boses. Actually, narinig ko pala ka ngayon eh. Naiingit ka ba, Ashley? Ashley, naiingit ka ba? Yes, bumati ka naman sa ating mga malang people, Jack Ryan.
Hello po!
Pogi ng boses. Baka meron kang gusto mong i-promote na events, social media accounts, gusto mong i-promote.
Gusto ko po muna magpasalamat sa farmers and sa manager ko po si Tito Odi po and sa family ko po for always supporting me and you can follow me on my Facebook page, Jack Ryan. Thank you po!
Poging bata. Sige, dali mo na yung mic na yun. Champ. Thank you. Nabibinata siya, guys.